And I said, "Me so no, you do my TV station."
O to she be lona. Everest. Hey.
That's
Omo pomu. Omo pomu.
oh, yeah.
Omo pomu. My mother say I can't bleach myself. Sister. Sister.
Yes.
I need different your life, different my life.
It's true.
If you talk to the spoon and use one to chop in restaurant, don't see me as a fool. It be my life.
It be your life.
It be my life. Some people understand this word. Me understand the word. Well, if I go here right now, my wife is fall down to die. It be God they do. It be life. Yes. I see, man. Nah, that boy,
Man, pong.
yes. Me, it be my talent. If you want to stop my talent,
That be it. Oh, Ede maybe. Ede na eya wo toilet. Make cream.
me cream for you so. Yes.
Oyiso pokle alo.
That be any proclaim. Me yes. Give her white.
Enu no use. Ni o talent ni.
Ekpomo. Ile ekpomo for that number. Ile ekpomo for apple. Ile ekpomo for my just.
But so why do you do that? Say nye.
Bleaching. It be my talent. The big men they talking for me in this nature to stop. Oh, now you don't see the last red. Oh, black is the.
It's enu na ma ye yi wedding.
Almost say men come. You can come in my talent. I cannot stop somebody's talent.
Na wo pe adwuma se si a wonye adwuma se ka wan pon ho anka wo tie adwuma nim.
Bleaching be my talent, man. If you take me say make I come to make news for Ghana, make I come to work here, I will bleach you.
You break.